Hey everyone, it's 4:45. I board at like 5:50. I leave at 6:50, and then by the time I get to the Republic of Georgia, it's gonna be 1 in the morning. I've never left the country. This is my first time. I'm freaking out. I'm excited. This is my dream, to go out and travel, and I'm gonna be doing my schoolwork and stuff at the same time. So it's whole different experience, something completely new, completely different. As far as I know, no one else is doing this because I'm doing my school online. I'm not going to any university over there or anything. So I don't know how long I'm going to be gone, traveling around and stuff, but hopefully I can just keep on doing that thing, and after college I can get my degree and go get finance work, contractor, remote, whatever. But yeah, I'm in the DFW International Airport right now. Hopefully we have a perfectly good flight with great food. I don't know what the food is like. I've never been on a plane long enough to eat the food. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoy the videos and stuff. But I'm just doing this on my phone right now. Have a good one. All right, so I made it to Qatar. I think I got like a 3-4 hour layover, and then I gotta go on the plane and go straight up, and I'll be in Tbilisi, Georgia. Oh man, 14-hour flight. I don't like long flights, and I had to pee like crazy. And yeah, so if you gotta go to the restroom when you're on the flight, go whenever you can. At some point it just kind of seemed like I couldn't get up quick enough because people just kept running in and out, and then by the time there was room, we landed. So yeah, update later. Y'all have a good one. Well, I made it to Georgia. It's 1 a.m. and I've already been harassed by, well, not harassed. I've been bugged by like 20 people saying taxi. Some guy trying to say 80 lari, which is like, I think, it's like 30, 40, some crazy, more than the U.S., some crazy number for the same distance. I'm not doing that. No. And trying to tell me something about gas or something. Sure, whatever. But the prices other people have told me, much less. The most I've ever heard was 50, and that's from some bougie like Airbnb place. So yeah, I don't know, but I'm gonna try to get my internet. I gotta wait like they said 30 minutes or something. So I gotta wait for my internet to pop up, and then I'm gonna use the Bolt app. Kind of pissed off the taxi driver when he saw Bolt, and he kept kind of hounding me when he saw that. So see you later. All right, in the dorm, in a room, whatever, and checkouts at noon. My Airbnb literally across the street told me 1 p.m. or 1 a.m. I can check in, and then I go there and there's someone there claims, oh, you can only check in after 3 p.m. That's the way hotel and bookings work. Like, such pretentious, just angered me that the way they spoke to me. So I'm never, ever using a Airbnb ever again. Like, ever. To hell with the whole website. I'm not dealing with that. So I go across the street, and let me make sure I give y'all the right hotel name. It is Meteki, Metekhi line. I came in here and I was just like, yo, I need help. And fortunately they had a room. I had to pay 200 lari. It's expensive. I was not trying to pay that crap, but I didn't have a choice. If you're watching this, you're thinking about going to Georgia, let me just tell you, first off, learn Georgian, something. I didn't really invest too much into it because it's not readily available, although I know someone who teaches it, so I screwed up on that. Also, when you get out of the airport, they're gonna bug you about taxi. I mean, like, as soon as you get into the past customs or whatever it is, don't take it. They literally tried to tell me 80 lari. No. So I go use the application called Bolt, like 23 lari, which is like $10 American, something like that. And so just without a doubt, be prepared. Maybe get a SIM card ahead of time, because apparently I locked mine and I don't know what to do. It's officially Sunday, so nothing I can do, because it's closed, the company or whatever, it's closed on Sundays. Yeah, so tomorrow I'm gonna go look, hopefully tomorrow, go look for an apartment to rent out monthly, much cheaper, and get everything set up, hopefully. If I can do a no sim thing set up for my iPad, I'm gonna do that. I'm exhausted, people. Like 20-hour flight, bunch of junk going on. I'm just stressed, and the room looks really nice. On my junk. So this is something I've never seen, but I couldn't turn the lights on. I saw this little pad on the wall, and I noticed, because it's a little light from the hallway. I looked down and I'm just like, that's an arrow. Popped my card in there and flipped the switch on. Apparently that's what they do. I guess it's a pretty good thing, because like you're saving electricity when you leave, so smart move. Apparently this is one of those eco-conscious people, because they got something over there, like a little I guess instruction booklet paper, and it says, if you have a towel you plan to use again, leave it on the rack. If you don't plan to, leave it on the floor. That way they know it needs to get changed. Trying to save water, whatnot. It's 4 o'clock. Even if I sleep now, I'll be lucky to get 8 hours. And I smell like shit because I've been sweating. I'm tired. I don't like the way I feel right now. This is my first day here, and I'm exhausted. I'm not happy. I don't like being talked to in a I'm holier than thou mentality. And I should have known it. It was like some CNN contributor person owns it. That should have told me enough. I'm exhausted. Nothing's okay. I'm not feeling okay. I'm frustrated. I met some Russian guy on the plane, real nice dude. Very helpful. If you come here, don't come here on the weekend. Also, if you come here, like I said, make sure you've already got a SIM. Don't even try to exchange for the lorry. Apparently no place had it until I got here, and I just went to the ATM. If you want to do Airbnb, fine. That's on you. You do what you want. But if you do, make sure you plan to book after 3, because apparently that's how booking works. This is ridiculous. It's like, I don't know. I'm frustrated. That's all for me today. Good night.